Jake here today with our friends at Spindrift to use their raspberry lime to make this awesome watermelon tequila cooler. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So I got Spindrift's new drifter pack. I'm super excited to play around with this and honestly just drink them all. You get one of each flavor plus a surprise 12th flavor. Today we're going to be using the raspberry lime. The drifter packs even come with these cards so you can get the true tasting experience for all 11 flavors. Definitely give it a go, especially because I can drink all 11 in one sitting. So I'm just going to peel up my watermelon and then we're gonna cut them into chunks. This is gonna last me for much more than cocktails, but also for just summer snacking. To get started, I have 3 cups of fresh watermelon that I'm throwing into a blender, and we are going to just get it just a little bit sweeter. And this is just gonna make some nice little watermelon juice as the base of the cocktail. I'm gonna throw in ½ an ounce of agave. You can really use any sweetener you like. On top of that, like, you don't need a lot, just a little. Watermelon's already sweet, just wanna give it a little bit more. And then just a little pinch of salt. Again, to balance all that sweetness, you don't need a lot. Let's give it a good blend. Now that we got our puree, I'm going to strain it, take out the pulp. This isn't necessary per se, but it just makes for like really smooth, delicious watermelon juice. From here, we don't need a ton more. Once you got your watermelon juice, we're just going to build our cocktail in some ice-filled glasses and get sipping. We're gonna start by pouring 1½ ounces of tequila over the ice. Fair warning, I'm a big fan of low ABV cocktails, so I will often do half of this. So just like 3/4 ounce of tequila, and then everything else the same in the recipe. That being said, this is pretty standard for some normal strength drinking. Now I'm gonna do 4 ounces of our watermelon juice into each. We're gonna give each a little stir. Just wanna chill it down. This right here is like fine, but it's not a cocktail yet. Not until we introduce our Spindrift. Today, I'm using one of my favorite flavors, the raspberry lime. What that's gonna do is, first off, it's gonna add the raspberry, which is this like next level addition of fruitiness. As you know, it's like, all this is sparkling water with freshly squeezed fruit. Coming from family farms, no added sugar. It's like the perfect mixer for cocktails, but that's not all. This has lime in it too. It's gonna add that acidity, which is gonna balance all the sweetness. It's the perfect flavor to just tie this drink all together. I'll say definitely has like a lot of vibes and components of the classic margarita, but it's just so non-traditional. You're just gonna wanna just drink this as it is. So I'm just going to top off each glass with our raspberry lime Spindrift, and that's what's going to help tie in the cocktail and get us ready to start sipping. Let's just garnish and we'll start drinking. I'm gonna put in some lime wheels, a nice old sprig of mint, and of course, some watermelon to show everyone what they are drinking. The only thing that's missing, rose gold straws, of course. Gotta be a little extra. Throw those in, and we've got some perfect watermelon tequila coolers using our incredible raspberry lime Spindrift. Let's give it a taste. Oh my God, it's so good. You get the sweetness from the watermelon, you get the sweetness from the raspberry, you get the acidity from the lime and the Spindrift, just the right amount of bubbles. This is the perfect drink to cool off this summer. While I am sipping on this summer, I want you to show us what you're sipping on this summer for a chance to win an awesome summer prize pack, including a ton of Spindrift. All the details are in our caption. We got pineapple, we got cucumber. This is one of my favorites. I drink this all the time. We've got strawberry, cranberry raspberry, love this one, lime, blackberry, grapefruit, orange mango, lemon, half tea, half lemon. And then our surprise was another pineapple. really, really, really obsessed with the Drifter pack. Huge thanks to Spindrift for the awesome product to make an awesome cocktail. If you want the full recipe, you can head to thefeedfeed.com, and I'll see you next time.